Polaris 380 pressure pull cleaner that I wanted to tell you about today. It vacuums, it sweeps, it scrubs the bottom of your pool. It works with a booster, so that just means that if you do not have a booster pump, that you would have to get one of those for this particular Polaris. It is for in-ground pools. I'm going to show it to you here. Well, first I was going to tell you that it does come with an instruction manual. It's really detailed, it's easy to understand, to put together. One of the things that's great about this is that it cleans within 3 hours or less, depending on the size of your pool. It comes with a single zipper bag. So this is where it catches all the debris. It has triple jets and it's an all-wheel belt drive, which just basically means that it has a lot of power to it. So I'm gonna actually put it in the pool and let you see how it works. Now, it has been in this pool for probably 40 minutes-ish. And so you can see this pool obviously really needs to be cleaned. But it's the beginning of the summer, so it's time for it to be cleaned. They just put this in about 40 minutes ago, and you can see the difference here at the bottom of the pool. Okay, here we go. You can see it moves pretty quickly. And the bottom of this pool has a slant, I don't know if you can tell, but the way that it goes up on the side here, it's really smooth, easy going around to the shallow end. So if you're looking for a good pool cleaner, I really recommend the Polaris 380. Do your research and compare it with the Polaris 280. This one seems to have a little more power.